Imagine you are standing in a crowded room. You want to share a beautiful story. Your heart starts to beat a little faster. You know the words in your head, but your tongue feels heavy and slow. Have you ever felt this way before? It is a very common feeling for learners. But today is the day that changes. Today we are going to unlock a secret. We are going to master the present perfect. Welcome to my channel, English Practice PB. I am so happy you are here today. Please subscribe to join our learning family. We are going to take this very slowly. You do not need to worry about rules. You just need to listen and feel. Let's think about your amazing life journey. Think about all the things you have done. You have traveled to different places in your mind. You have met many interesting people in your life. You have seen the sunrise many times. These are all parts of your unique story. In English, we use a special tool for this. We call this tool the present perfect tense. Native speakers use it every single day. We use it to talk about our experiences. We use it to talk about how we have changed. It connects what happened before to right now. It is like a bridge between two times. I want to share my own heart with you. I have always loved the way people speak. Since I was very young, I have been curious. I have listened to many different accents. I have wondered how our brains learn words. Over many years, I have taught many students. I have met learners from every corner of the world. I have spoken with people from Brazil and Turkey. I have laughed with students from Japan and India. During all these years, I noticed something. It is something very important for you to hear. Many students have studied English for a long time. They have spent years inside heavy textbooks. They have passed many difficult grammar exams, but they have not felt truly confident. Why does this happen to so many people? I have asked myself this question many times. I have searched for the real answer. I have found that rules can be like a cage. Many learners have focused too much on grammar. They have not spent enough time just listening. They have practiced the rules, but not the feeling. Language is a living thing, not a math problem. You must build a natural feeling for it. That is why I created English Practice PB. I want to give you a different experience. I have tried to make learning feel like a story. I have explained these ideas very slowly for you. Think about the words, I have learned, or the words, I have discovered. These words show that you are growing. My own journey has not been perfect at all. I have made so many mistakes in my life. I have forgotten words when I needed them. I have misunderstood people many, many times. I have felt embarrassed while trying to speak. But do you know what I realized? Every mistake has taught me something new. Every mistake has made me a better teacher. Learning is not about being a perfect person. It is only about making a little progress. I have changed the way I look at English. In the past, I used traditional exercises. But then I discovered something very powerful. Listening and repetition are the real magic. They help your brain more than any book. That is why I speak clearly for you. I want you to listen again and again. Many of my students have told me something great. They have said, "I have started thinking in English." When they say that, I feel so much joy. Thinking in English means the language is yours. It means the words have become natural for you. It is no longer a task or a chore. Think about your own past for a moment. Maybe you have learned English in school. Maybe you have opened many heavy books before. Maybe you have tried many different courses. But maybe you still feel that speaking is hard. If this has happened to you, please listen. You are not alone in this feeling. Thousands of people have faced this same wall, but many of them have found a way over it. They have started listening to simple stories. They have repeated easy sentences many times, and slowly they have built real fluency. I have seen something amazing happen to learners. When you listen every day, your brain changes. At first, you might understand only bits. Then you start recognizing more and more. After some time, you follow whole sentences. And finally, you begin to think in the language. This transformation has surprised so many people. Some have written to me with big smiles. They have said, "I finally understand movies." Others have said they speak without translating. They have enjoyed English for the first time. Learning should always be an enjoyable thing. Now, let me ask you a small question. What have you learned in your life recently? Have you learned a new word today? Have you listened to a beautiful story? Have you practiced speaking out loud? If you are listening to me right now, listen. You have already practiced the present perfect. You have heard so many examples already. You have noticed the way the words fit. Your brain has started building a new pattern. This is the very best way to learn grammar. You are experiencing it inside a real moment. Your brain is connecting meaning to the sound. Over the years, I have realized a big truth. Language learning is not about being a genius. It has always been about being consistent. The people who improve the most are steady. They have practiced just a little every day. They have stayed patient during the quiet times. Progress always takes a little bit of time. If you have listened to this today, look up. You have already taken a huge step forward. You have trained your ears to hear the music. You have strengthened your English brain. You are moving closer to your big dream. So please, keep going on your path. Keep listening to the sounds of the words. Keep practicing with a kind and open heart. Remember something very important right now. You have already started this beautiful journey. And that means you have already succeeded. The most important step is the one you took. You have begun, and that is wonderful. Thank you so much for being here with me. We have explored so much together today. We have looked at the present perfect through life. If you have enjoyed our time together, come back. Listen to this again when you wake up. Your brain has learned more than you think. You are doing much better than you feel. I am so proud of the effort you make. This is English Practice PB, your home for learning. I will be here waiting for you next time. Have a beautiful and peaceful day ahead. Keep your heart open to the new words. Goodbye for now, my dear friend. I will see you very soon in our next lesson. Happy learning to you and your family. You have the power to speak clearly. You have the heart to learn anything. See you very soon. Bye-bye for now.